Okay guys, in the previous session we covered how to dump and load the model and the vectorizer. In this session we are going to cover how to extract text from PDF by using PyPDF2 and make the prediction of books based on text extracted. Add some more cell, okay, then you put comment making prediction, okay, so making prediction from real PDF books. We don't want no more to make a prediction from fresh, okay, quoted from these books. We want it to make a prediction from books, okay. Let me open up Anaconda terminal because I have not installed the Python library for dealing with PDF book, which is PyPDF. There are a lot of Python libraries for dealing with PDF files like PyPDF, but for our case we are going to use PyPDF2, okay. So I type the command pip install PyPDF2, okay. As I've told you, this is Python library which will help us to read the PDF book, extract the text from PDF book, okay. So better if you have installed this package in your computer. All right, so successful build PyPDF2, okay. So let me test it to import it just to be sure that the installation is successful be done. You can see I'm able to import PyPDF2, means the installation has been done successful without any error, okay. So combining machine learning and this Python library for dealing with PDF, it will make our project loss, okay. So I put comment open PDF file, object is equal to PyPDF2 dot PDF file reader, okay. Let me go on the desktop and let me copy the name of one PDF book or one PDF file I want to read, okay. So let me open and let me paste it in our Jupyter Notebook project file. Let me copy the file name of one among two PDF book, which is the Django cookbook.pdf, okay. So I want to open this PDF. I want to count the total number of pages in PDF document. Then after, I want to extract features from the PDF book. So let me print number of pages are, okay, num page is equal to object dot get pages, num pages, bracket, Okay, and the total number of pages in a PDF num page. So once I run the cell, py PDF, okay, there is typo error here of Python. Okay, you can see the total number of pages are 284. I think you can see how powerful is PyPDF tool. Absolute. So text, I just declare the variable which will be special for storing the text. Okay, then if bracket num pages. So to be clear, in our intelligent bookstore, we want only PDF books which, okay, are greater than or contain at least 100 pages. Okay, so if the book is less than 100, we will tell the user, okay, the end user of our intelligent bookstore, that the PDF book must contain at least 100 pages in order for you to upload the document in our repository. All right. So also the user, or I mean the document submitted by user, qualifies to be uploaded in our database. Okay, intelligent bookstore. Okay, you can see the PDF qualifies, waiting to be uploaded. Perfect. Okay, so let me write the for loop for extracting the text from the PDF books and store the content in text, which is the variable required in this cell. Okay, so for I in range from 0 up to 20, I want to extract all the text in a PDF starting from page number 0 up to page number 20. I mean, I wanted the first 20 pages to be extracted from the submitted PDF by the end user. Okay, so for I in range bracket 0, comma, page object is equal to object.get page bracket I text plus is equal to page object dot extract text. Okay, then after I should be able to print the extracted text on a Jupyter notebook. So once I run the cell, what's happening? I think there is typo error. So once I run the cell, oh wow, this is amazing. You can see we are able to extract the text from PDF submitted by user. Okay, you can see this is the PDF file, okay, being extracted by PyPDF tool, the Python tool for dealing with PDF files. Okay, okay, you can see Michael. Actually, this is, I can search, you can see. So it has extracted all text from page number 1 up to page number 20. Okay, that's perfect. I love the tool. I love this tool, honestly speaking. Okay, so let me comment because I don't want to see this text. Okay, only machine learning want to be fed up with this text so as it can classify the category of the book. On my side, I don't want to see the text because I even don't want to read the book. Okay, so why is seeing the text? So making prediction using the model and the vectorizer loaded from the disk. Perfect. I love Pico when it comes to dumping and loading the model from and on disk and a Jupyter notebook. But you can use alternative tool which is called JobLib. And in most of my courses and my online session, I've been using JobLib. So this is the first session to teach the majority, to teach the majority how to use the Pico to load and dump the model on the disk. Okay, so loaded vectorizer, and here it should also be the loaded model. This is the first time, no jokes, this is the first time for me to teach online lecture by using Pico for dumping and loading the model from the disk. So let me remove this, and I want to get the I want to get text. What's wrong? So this is loaded vectorizer. Okay. Oh, there was a mistake. Should be loaded vectorizer. So let me load. Okay, wow, you can see web development. So the prediction of this PDF file is web development. I love machine learning. Honestly speaking, I can choose to do machine learning over eating for sure. So exciting. Oh, so you are now machine learning engineer already, simply because you can do everything from the scratch. All right, you can start to make the small coding as we started by loading the data set. Okay, making the data exploration, pre-processing the feature and splitting the data set, fitting the model, dump the model on the disk by using Pico, load the model on the disk by using Pico, making the prediction of book. Awesome, perfect. Let me try out to download one PDF book from online and make a prediction. Okay, so let me download in a PDF. Okay, let me try out to download another PDF book and make a prediction. My internet is very fast. Okay, so this is OpenCV tutorial. I don't know even how to save the book. Okay, Let me save the book in on desktop, AI, more tech. All right. Also, let me save this book. Okay, let me just save these books, but I don't want to read them, just for teaching. Okay, let me copy the file name. All right, let me cross and use the tab. Okay, let me paste the name of PDF book. Okay, run the cell, run. Oh, you can see it has predicted that this PDF book is of web category. I don't care about the prediction result. What I care is you are now able to create the machine learning model and deploy it. So after dealing with this, the big first part of this project on Jupyter Notebook, the last part will be deploying this model on the Django. Okay, we will not code everything from the scratch for sure, as I'm not teaching the Django. Okay, but I know how to code in the Django. I'm just teaching machine learning, so we'll not code the Django web application from the scratch. I'll use the web application, okay, I created it when lecturing my previous session online. Okay, so I can copy the name of this PDF file. I can paste it here. So just warm up for, okay, warm up your body, warm up your mind for the Django. You can see number of pages at 28. Wow, you are now a machine learning engineer. Waiting. Get prepared for the Django web framework. So this is an end of part number 7, okay, which was making prediction from text extracted from PDF books. So get prepared for the next session, which is deployment of model on the Django Python web framework. Thank you.